we're going was set. So first, let's take a step back and ask ourselves an important question. Why do we even use clocks at all? A day often works just fine for keeping track of time. Think of the things we say, like, bye, see you in 3 days. Or in a conversation, oh yeah, I just saw him yesterday. If day were all we had for keeping track of time, that would actually be pretty lousy. I mean, can you imagine this bride, for example? She scheduled the wedding for Tuesday. She was there. She waited hours. And the groom didn't show. But in his defense, he says, I was there on Tuesday. I showed up. Yeah, Tuesday night. By then, the bride had given up. See, when all we were doing was living in caves a long time ago, hunting for food all day, the concept of day was probably good enough. We didn't need anything more detailed than that. But at some point, human beings started to live in civilizations, and they started to form cities where lots of people live close to one another. And so people began to schedule things, town meetings, celebrations, like weddings, times to meet and trade things. Now, all of this continues on into today, and even more so than ever. Can you imagine? You go to the airport to greet someone, and you don't know what time their flight comes in, or you have to just stay there all day? Modern civilized life requires that we be more detailed about time, and the concept of just day by itself isn't good enough anymore. So at some point, someone realized we have to split the day into smaller parts.